Welcome to my shop again. Well, it's a whole new ball game. We have live, interactive, remote demos available to individuals in the comfort and safety of your own home, and live and interactive. I'm going to do demonstrations and periodically schedule them so that you can join by purchasing a ticket on my website, and it's Lyle at lylejamieson.com. It's a Zoom meeting. You just do two things. You have to load the free download of Zoom, the Zoom app, and then in the meeting time, you join the meeting and we go live and ask questions, have comments, completely interactive. I'll do a demo of different topics that will be scheduled and sometimes repeated, so you'll have a variety of things to see. And now we can go live with Lyle right from the comfort of your home. I will see you and talk to you soon over the internet, and enjoy some fun and shop time. Our shop time has been, at least for me, and many have described it as therapeutic. It's great to get in the shop and get engaged in a project and have some turning time to enjoy your shop. It's all about the fun. We'll see you next time, and don't forget to support my sponsors and share with your turning friends.